Guys, this is the biggest baobab tree I've ever seen.
This one is called
I want to Nyange. Guys, see the way this place. Guys, it's a Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Grace Nyange. Come with me as I take you to Congo River. So Congo River is a river here in Diani where it flows to the ocean, and it's a nice place to watch the sunset. It's a nice place to watch the sunset. So guys, come with me as I take you along this journey. So right now I want to go to the gate. I get a tuk-tuk to Congo River. This is how this place looks like when you're heading to the gate. We have a nice place for tennis, as you can see. We have a nice courtyard for tennis there. So guys, come with me along this journey. The sun is really shining. The sun is really shining. Guys, come with me along this journey to Congo River. Yeah. Sini na huku.
Kuganya mwisi si arambe binamera wako wewe.
Sawa lakini.
Asante sana.
We are en route to Congo River. Guys, let me give you a mini tour of Diani. This is how the place looks like. When you come, this is what you should expect. These are raw, unfiltered footage of Diani. This is exactly how it looks like. When you come, this is what you should expect. So here in Diani, one of the main means of transportation is tuk-tuk and motorbikes. That's the main, I feel like that's the main means of transportation. Like right now we are inside a tuk-tuk. As you can see guys, people are selling nice things. Kuna vikapu hapo, kuna makanga guys, there are some bags, there are some carvings, there are some hats, painting, name it, everything. Guys, please promote the locals. Make sure you buy yourself a souvenir to go back home and show your people you are Indian. Guys, did you know that Diani has been awarded the best beach in Africa 5 years running? I believe it's even more than 5 years. It's supposed to be forever, because I don't think there's any beach in Africa that can contend Diani. Though I've not traveled, so I will specifically say that when I travel to all beaches in Africa, but I believe Diani is the best, because actually it has been awarded best beach in Africa 5 years running. We have so many things in Diani to do. We have marine parks that have been established all along Diani beach. These are areas of protected waters that conserve marine life and the ecosystem. They are water visit, guys. When you come to Diani, you can do snorkeling, you can do diving. I met so many people who are kite surfing. I even made friends who are kite surfing. They wanted me to do it, but I was like, hey, I don't really know how to swim, so I can't. But I guess I will work on my swimming, then do kite surfing one day. Guys, when you come to Diani, It's one of the few places in the world where there is reef sharks that are seen frequently. I feel like it's like almost the only place in Africa that you can actually really see a reef shark. So guys, come with me. This is how Diani looks like. This is how Diani looks like. This is authentic Diani footage. There are so many resorts along the coastline of Diani, so many palm trees. You'll really get to drink the coconut water. You drink it, you will nourish yourself when you come to Diani. People in Diani, there's kayaking, there is jet skiing, windsurfing, paddle boating, scuba diving. Like I've said, there's so many activities. Like right now we're just going to watch the sunset. Can you imagine? We're just taking this journey to go to watch the sunset. As you can see, guys, this place is green, and the weather here, it's so warm. It's not hot, like humid. It's warm. You will not feel cold, you will not feel hot. That's the weather in Diani. God just decided to put a small paradise in Kenya, a place called Diani. And we are grateful. And also, guys, when you come to Diani, there's a national park reserve. It's called Simba Hills. Like where I'm taking you, the Congo River, I feel like it goes all the way to Simba Hills. Yeah, bear with me. I will take you there one day. And in Simba Hill, you get to see elephants, all types of animals that are there, guys. And one thing that I've forgotten to mention that I will try one day is skydiving. In Diani, there is skydiving. There is skydiving, guys. Deep sea fishing, glass boat tour that I've shown you. For water lovers, for people who love soft life, chilling, relaxing, you know, scientists say like when you see the water, it relaxes you. So, and if you have a headache, when you go to a place where there's a lot of water, immediately the headache disappears. So, come with me. Let me keep quiet. Let me keep quiet. Let me let you guys see the mazingira. Mazingira, it means what? The area, the way the area looks like. Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Margaret Nyange. We've just arrived in Congo River. Come with me as I take you along this journey. Let me show you how beautiful Diani is. Guys, bear with me. I'm still learning how to record. So let me flip the camera. Well, we've just arrived here in Congo River. And guys, this is the biggest baobab tree I've ever seen in my life. Ha! I know baobab trees are big, but this is massive. This is massive. What? Guys, this tree is... Let me go back so that you can see it. This tree is so massive. This is authentic Kenyan life. So guys, come with me. All these are baobab trees. For those who don't know what is baobab is mabuyu. For my East African people, baobab is mabuyu. Guys, come with me as I take you along this journey. I'm so excited. I don't know if I should go this way or this way. Guys, let's start this way. Let me go this way. Barrier. Hey. Welcome. Shikamo. Sijambo. Okay guys, so let's start this way. Guys.
Advertise my restaurant, please.
Restaurant yako ni gani?
Hiyo hapo ile pale.
Kwa hivyo nianze hivi? Nikienda hivi nirudi hivi? Guys, inaitwaje?
Kongo Sans Restaurant.
Guys, please let's give him a shout out.
It's called Congo Sans Restaurant. We do barbecue of octopus, fish, seafood in general, but we also have chicken and meat.
Okay, guys, please, when you come here in Kongo River, make sure you promote him. What's your name?
Ali. Chef Ali.
He's called Chef Ali. Yes.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. So, guys, let me go this way so that I can show you his restaurant. But all of these are baobab trees, guys. These trees, they take years to grow to this level. It is not a joke. Ninge hivi? Aya. Guys, let's go to his restaurant. Amo tupeleke. Aya, guys, let's go to his restaurant. Let me start. Hi, guys. We've just met Chef Ali. Guys. So let me show you his restaurant here in Kongo River. Please, when you come, make sure you patronize his business. Let me show you. Kongo River is filled with traditional beach restaurant. Guys, come with me. Let me show you this one. Chef Ali is so kind. Very nice. Chakuja, shikamo. Aya. Guys, let me remove my shoes because the sand is a lot. This is Chef Ali himself. Here's his restaurant. As you can see, they are doing barbecue. If you want snacks.
These are the fish that we do barbecue.
So what are the names of the fish?
This one is called white snapper. This is the white snapper. And this is taffy. Yeah, this is taffy. And this one is called it's also a snapper, but it's called chengo.
Chengo.
Yeah, chengo. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Welcome,
Thank you. As you've seen, guys, those are just some of the fishes that they cook. They cook even octopus and so many things. Even waitwa nani? Cyrus. Tumepata na chef hapa ametuleta. Habari yako? Waitwa nani? Hassan. Haya, anaitwa Magi. Thank you. This is the river, guys. As you can see, there are some traditional boats. You can actually hire one for like 200 to 500 Kenyan shilling, and you share with other people, and you enjoy a Kongo River ride or drive or boat ride. This is where the river meets the ocean. Guys, this is the river and this is the ocean. The name of this place is Kongo River, and we are here to watch the sunset. So guys, let's go. My name is Margaret Nyange. Please guys, subscribe to my YouTube because I want to bring you guys crazy, beautiful, amazing content. Come with me along this journey. Suka mtende. So guys, we want to see a boat that people will
boat ride.
Yeah.
Sunset.
Yeah, we want to watch the sunset.
How many are you?
Hatuko wawili lakini tunataka tuone kama wanaenda tujaze boat nao.
Tuendeni pale. Kuna wengine tunawangojea.
Mnangoja wengine?
Sasa tujaze hiyo boat.
Haya, juu tukienda peke yetu si unajua itakuwa pesa mingi.
Pesa mingi.
Na sisi wazungu.
Na saa hii hizi boti ziko booking. Hata unachukua boti moja kwa watu wawili. Hiyo ni expensive.
Hiyo ni expensive.
Si unaona hata wazungu wamezarauliwa hapa.
So guys, this is Kongo River. This is where the ocean meets the river.
So which is the river?
The river is this one. Yeah, it goes. This is the river, guys. It goes up to 500 kilometers to Simba Hills, and that's the ocean. So that is where the river meets the ocean. Okay.
Just only two.
Yeah, habari yako? Hatutaki kwenda peke yetu, ungependa kuongojea watu tuwe wengi.
Saa hii tumebuki, kuna wengine ndio tunangojea hiyo.
I decided not to take the boat, but actually the boats are so beautiful. My cousin went on a boat ride. It's a beautiful thing to experience, guys. When you come, you should take the boat, but if the price is too high, I better go. You can still watch the sunrise at the sandbank. So this is how the place looks like. The sun is about to go down. The sunrise is about to begin. Guys, this place is beautiful. Actually, do you know, like yesterday there's a proposal here I heard from some couple of Diani backpackers. It was just beautiful. Beautiful. See the way this place look like. See the setting. You actually feel romantic. This is the river water. And this is where the river flows to the ocean. This is where, you see, as the water is mixing, you can see the water mixing here. This is actually where the ocean, the fresh water of the river is flowing to the salty water of the ocean. So again, 360, this is where there was a proposal. Wow, like 2 days ago. The sun is about to set. The sun is about to set. Everybody who is here, they've come to watch the sunset, and there's some people who do business here, of course, but most people who are here at this time, they've just come to watch the sunset. This is the river. This is Congo River. This is where it's flowing to the ocean. This is the ocean, guys. Yeah, this is the ocean. So let me show you. This is where the water, the river water, which is fresh, is mixing with the salty ocean water. See the way this place is beautiful. People are so many here, and actually I'm just going to the beach, to the ocean. From the river to the ocean. Now I'm going to the ocean. Yeah, you don't get to see this in many places, only at Congo River. Guys, please make sure you visit this place. As you can see, that's where the water is mixing with the ocean water, and there are so many people. You can come with your family, with your friends. As you can see, people are here with their family, with their friends. That's where the ocean is mixing with the river. The river water is flowing to the ocean. That's the place. I was so scared of going there because the tide was so high and the waves were a lot, but I will surely take you when it's low tide. This is the ocean, Indian Ocean. Guys, this is Indian Ocean. There's so many beautiful people here from all places of the world, every continent. You can come here with your family. Like this family, they were kite surfing. No. Yeah, they were surfing. Not kite surfing, but they were with the board. They were paddle boarding or whatever. What is it called? This is the sunset. And I ended up taking beautiful pictures. So as you can see, people are enjoying with their boards, they are surfing, they are riding the waves. People are fearless, so the waves were strong. They were so strong. As for me, I can never attempt. Can never be me. But they were really enjoying. Wow. So beautiful. Beautiful people. The sun is setting. Congo River. This is Congo River water, guys. This is Congo River water. This is where the Congo River meets the Indian Ocean. Guys, I'm scared of water, so I will not go. But that is where the Congo River is. And guys, it's in the evening time. Right now it's 5 something. Guys, we are here to watch the sunset. Guys, please, when you come to Diani, this place, if you've not been to Congo River, I don't know if you've been to Kwale or Munda or Diani. Guys, this is the best place to come and watch the sunset and see where the river. Thank you guys. Please subscribe. Go. This is how we decided to pass our time as we were watching the sunset. I met somebody from AIM Studios. We ran from Congo River to the ocean, from the ocean to the Congo River. Enjoy this video, and we actually took the best pictures. Wow. Guys, can you see the sunset? It's so beautiful. Even it made the video look so beautiful. This is the ocean water mixing with the river water, as you've seen below. Just amazing feeling. I really enjoyed myself at the time. Some of the amazing photos we took during sunset hours, or sunset time rather. So beautiful, so beautiful. The background is giving. Wow. And it was just God's timing. Amazing photos. Wow, 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 wow. Guys, that's the best place actually to take photos, and I can't wait to do makeup and go there and take like crazy beautiful photos again. Can you see the background, the lighting and everything? Check this picture, my skin was just glowing. Guys, see how beautiful the sunset is. Vibes here in Diani, guys. Here in Congo River, guys. This is Indian Ocean. Okay, hi guys. Meet him.
Maka Mugenda.
Maka Mugenda. When you come to Congo River, you'll see him. He's doing something for me, guys, as I'm watching the sunset. So let me bend down.
Champo. When I sing, oh Maggie, Yahweh, Maggie, yeah.
Hey, hey,
I say, Bololo,
Bololo.
I say, Bololo, yeah. And I told Maggie, the lady was created on Monday, not one. Yeah.
Hey, hey.
Na wale waliumbwa on Monday. On Saturday kama Mungu anaenda weekend. Yeah. Kwaheri Magi, kwaheri Magi, we shall meet again. Yeah.
Yeah.
We shall meet again.
Yeah.
Jambo. Yeah. Ululu. Ululu. Yeah. Yeah. Ululu. Jambo. I sing with Maggie, I sing to Maggie, Yawa Maggie, beauty, the lady's beauty like her mom.
Hey!
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Also, subscribe to your YouTube. What's the name of your YouTube?
Okay, I've drawn it. Margaret Nyange. Because let's wait for the waves to cover it. That's my name. My name is so long. That is my name. I'm waiting for the waves to cover it. Because I know the tide is coming higher and higher. I feel like it's going to reach there. So let's see, let's see, let's see, let's see. These are some of the things you can do in Diani. Especially this beach at Congo. So afterwards, I actually met this guy who was selling cocoa or madafu. We call it here madafu. And he was like, I want to appear in your video, so let's walk like this. Hey, yeah, we are walking. We are walking, we are walking, we are. Hey, what's this? And then he was like, wow, I want you to jump. So I jumped, of course. So it's like, let me show you something. Okay, let's do this. So yeah, I'm just mimicking him. Monkey see, monkey do. I really enjoyed. Actually, here in Congo River you get to meet amazing people. Like him is just a seller, and he took his time. He just made my day there very memorable, as he was just telling me, okay, just buy. And then I was like, I'm going to buy. Then he said a lot of money. That I was like, where? I'm a Kenyan, I know that's not the price. So here we are bargaining, and then I accepted the price that we finally agreed upon, which is 200 Kenyan shillings. So here we are. It's coming to carry it for me. Chukua kisu. Guys, I'm buying a cocoa. We call it here madafu. This is madafu. Manyake kama Jwala ndo nahitaji. Guys, Jwala ndo nahitaji. If you know that song, you know. If you don't know, you don't know. All sizes. Manyake kama fries. Kama mbuzi na maji. Jwala ndo nahitaji. Waitwa nani?
Another Moses.
Moses.
Another Moses.
Another Moses. And Moses ama another Moses?
Another Moses.
Aitwa another Moses. And aitwa another Moses.
Another Moses.
Another Moses. I asked what is his name, and he said another Moses. That's actually his name. There's Moses the prophet, and then him is another Moses from
Much welcome.
You're supposed to show them.
Yeah. And then
Oh my God, guys! Cheers! Cheers! Cheers!
it is the flesh here. The flesh is good for the skin. The water is good for the urinary system.
Oh God!
Kwa hii
Sakshika na mchanga. Oh.
see? Yeah, most of the
Livia.
yes, siku hizi wanachanganya na coconut.
Hi.
Yeah, come together, we join together and have a song. A song. Come. Yeah. Oh, we are all brothers and sisters. I try to bring some
Guys, you know this is the best place to meet new people.
yeah.
If you don't know, all over the world actually. Yeah, people. After the beach at Congo River, I was invited here at this restaurant. It's actually a hidden gem. It's called Speedy Bistro. You alight at Trade Winds, then you take the road that heads to the beach. Before you reach to the beach, you'll see Speedy Bistro. This is their menu. Amazing menu, guys. Amazing menu, and they are very affordable. They are very affordable. They have so many things to offer. They have even juices, then they are fresh. Check this out, guys. Check it. This is how it looks like, guys. The place is giving. The place is beautiful, and the chefs here are so beautiful. Chef waitwa nani? Idi. I have met Chef Charlie. Waitwa nani? Lucy. Guys, they have the best service in Diani. Wherever you come to Diani, make sure, guys, you've come here. Please come and check out this place. It's a hidden gem here in Diani. This is the way the place looks like. See the art. The art is so beautiful, guys. These people have taste. You will definitely come here and you will take Instagrammable picture, Instagrammable videos. See the roof. And it's at night. Can you imagine how it looks like during the day? Can you imagine the lighting? the pictures you can take when there's natural lights. And the phone that I'm using is not even the best. But the way this place is beautiful, guys. It's a hidden gem here in Diani. The chefs and the owners here, they are so nice. I have eaten the best food I've ever eaten in my life. I'm not even joking. They've not paid me to advertise. They have not. This is not a sponsored advertisement. Guys, this is me telling you what's up. This is PD Bistro's food. And the craziest thing is that it was so sweet and fresh, and we were the last customers. Guys, how I get to know about this place is that I met Chef Charlie, and I just met them at Kongo River, and he was like, you know what, there's a place like our restaurant, you should go and check it out. We have the best calamari. Because actually he happened to ask me what food do I love eating when he told me he's a chef, and I was like, I love calamari seafood. And then he was like, we cook the best. I mean, you have to go to a restaurant right now and try it. And I was like, hey, it's late. He's like, let me call, they will wait. And he called, and I went, and where the food was so sweet. And he's not paid me, honest, to go to advertise, but the food was so amazing. Amazing guys. You have to go at that place, and I will definitely take you there during the day. Hey, the squid, the fries, the salad, and it is at night and it's fresh. My cousin was so grateful that she came with me. And thank you so much, guys, for watching me. Enjoy as I'm enjoying this food. I hope this is how you'll be enjoying my content, because this food, we finished. Karibu tulambe sahani.